Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for Easter week and I'm going to be using this super adorable kit from the Pretty Little Peony. It's called the Everybunny Needs Somebunny kit and it's just so adorable. It's lots of pinks and mints and little bunnies, and I don't think it was actually Easter specific, but it's just too cute not to use for Easter. It's perfect. The little bunnies are just adorable. I've been holding on to this for so long. You can tell because it's on her glossy paper, which she hasn't done for a while. I have used a couple of stickers of the deco sheet, which is fine because I'm not going to use it all anyway. It's a huge deco sheet. Look at it. These bunnies are just too cute. Even though it is old, she may actually still have this up in her shop. She doesn't tend to get rid of things too quickly, so I'll look into that, and the link will be in the description box anyway. Oh, how cute. So I've been hoarding it because it's been too cute to use, but it's time. I've resolved not to hoard my kits anymore. I'm trying to use up all the old ones I have. So, and this is one of the older ones, so Easter week it is. I'm still in my moonlit. I'm having real trouble moving out of her, even though it is autumn really here, technically. And usually I love autumn colors, and usually I couldn't wait to move into an autumn theme, but I'm just loving her too much to move. So I'll probably hold on to her at least through until after Easter, and then I might think about moving. So enough of me jabbering on about my planner. Let's get into the planning.